I'm super excited because this is gonna be my first makeup tutorial video. I am very excited just because of her. I am doing this video because if you guys do not know, so I did her bridal makeup a few days back for her big day, and everyone liked it so much, so she forced me. She told me like, let's do the recreate the makeup. You did it so nicely, so let's do it again. So I was like, okay, let's do it, and I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes, super excited.
Before you start watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please show some love because this is my first makeup video and I'm very excited about it. And also comment and let me know how do you like it. Do you have any feedbacks, makeup tips for me? Please let me know. I'll be very happy. So let's get started. Also, all the makeup that I'm using, you'll find the name of that in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out.
Bodies moving like water, together in motion, yeah. Laying here, we on fire, can't hardly control it now. Temperatures rising, just let it go, come on and ride it. You know we can't fight it, so what do we do? I wake up thinking about it. All day I'm dreaming about it. You calling my name, you want it. Let's stop these games, no more playing. Girl, can you stay the night? Your love is so good, need it all the time. Girl, can you stay the night? You're the only one who can change my life. Don't make me wait another day. Get over here and have your way. Need it all the time. Time stands still, so still when I'm with you, yeah. Every time you get to leave it, girl, you know that I miss you, yeah. I just wanna go back to the bed, come give me more of that. You know we can't fight it, so what do we do? I wake up thinking about it. All day I'm dreaming about it. You calling my name, you want it. Let's stop these games, no more playing. Girl, can you stay the night? Your love is so good, need it all the time. Girl, can you stay the night? You're the only one who can change my life. Don't make me wait another day. Get over here and have your way. Need it all the time. Wake up, thinking about it. All day, dreaming about it. Wake up, thinking about it. So what do we do? Girl, can you stay the night? Your love is so good, need it all the time. Girl, can you stay the night? You're the only one who can change my life. Don't make me wait another day. Have your way. Girl, can you stay the night? Your love is so good, need it all the time. Need it all the time. Your love is so good. Bodies moving like water, together in motion, yeah. Laying here, we on fire, can't hardly control it now. Temperatures rising, just let it go, come on and ride it. You know we can't fight it, so what do we do? I wake up thinking about it. All day I'm dreaming about it. You calling my name, you want it. Let's stop these games, no more playing. Girl, can you stay the night? Your love is so good, need it all the time. Girl, can you stay the
all done. So let's give you guys a closer look of it.
Come give me more of that. You know we can't fight it. So what do we do? I wake up thinking about it. All day I'm dreaming about it.
We had so much fun doing this makeup video, and we'll post some pictures here to see how everything came up on her big day that was on January 25th. So don't forget to go and check that video out. And her makeup and her dress, everything looks so perfect and she looks so beautiful. You guys are gonna go crazy over that. So anyways, I hope you guys liked my first makeup video, and please don't forget to comment, leave any tips, and let me know if I can improve something. I'll be very thankful for that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll see you guys in our next video. So till then, bye bye.
Dreaming about it. Wake up, wake up.